everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another very short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix Windows Update error code 0x80070012 in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So this will be the commands that we will be using later on. So I have pasted this in the description box below. You can check this out. So that is for later. Let me just minimize this one. So the first thing we need to do is to go to our troubleshoot settings, and we can do that by simply making a search here in our Windows search tab and type troubleshoot. So here under best match you will see the troubleshoot settings, so please click on that, and then it will be able to open the troubleshoot options here. So we have here the three options, and for the last one please click on other troubleshooters, and you will be able to see the most frequent section and the other section. So you will see at the very bottom part for the most frequent section the Windows Update. So please click on the corresponding run button, and then once you do that it will start diagnosing the problems, and you will be provided with the troubleshooters or the steps that you need to do to fix the problem, and later on your problem will now be fixed. So just make a quick restart with your device. Okay, so all you have to do is just to follow the process that will be given to you. So now the next thing we need to do, let me just exit this one. The next thing we need to do is to open the command prompt window, and we can do that by making a search again here in the Windows search tab, CMD, and then under the best match you will see the command prompt. So instead of clicking open, please click on run as administrator, and then this user account control window will be coming up on your screen. So to proceed, let us just click on yes, and then this black window will be coming up on your screen again. So here all we need to do is paste here the first command that you will see in the description box. So let me just copy it. It's sfc /scannow. So let us copy it and then paste it here. And then once pasted, please click on OK or enter, and then the system scan will now begin. So this process will take some time, and let us just wait for this verification process to be done till it reaches 100%. Okay, so let me just minimize this one. Another thing we could do is to paste again this another command here in the command prompt window. So let me just copy it. Okay, and then here in the Windows search tab again, let us search CMD, and then click again run as administrator, and then again we will click on yes, and then the same window will be coming up on your screen. So here we need to paste the second command, and then once pasted you can now click on enter, and it will now start the deployment image servicing and management tool. Once you do that, just make a quick restart with your device, wait for this verification process to be complete, and then restart your device, and then you're good to go. You will not be able to experience the same update error code or Windows Update error code again. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.